This short video is about how you can change your thoughts and subsequently your future. From time to time, we experience problems and challenges, whether at work or at home. Are you stuck looking at the past or just preoccupied with things which let you down and you can't seem to see things clearly? How helpful would a different perspective be with the ability to see things more clearly? We at SUPERBHUMANS explore the power of conversation. You can talk to me in a safe, secure, and a relaxed environment where I help you to see things differently. And together, I'll help you find a way that suits you. Talking is not always easy. Sometimes it could be challenging, and it will definitely stretch your thinking. Together, we work out how to get what you want. Coaching is completely a fun process, but it is definitely not with that idea of one size fits all approach. As coaching process starts, the journey is to first find out what it really is. Our coaching conversations will help you look beyond what is and finally create what will be. In short, our coaching conversations will help you design your own destiny. You might think turning around your life could be a painstaking process, very slow, and it might even take forever. However, if you talk to the right person, change could be instantaneous. Yes, changes happen in an instant. Deciding whom to talk to is definitely a choice because it is your right and your want to feel very safe. Give me a call. I'll help you realize and release your potential. Time for you to spread your sparkle, rise and shine. Because whatever you think you are so much more. One size suits all. Coaching is definitely not this. As a life coach, I use various customized process for every individual, for every client of mine. I use variety of games, activities, exercises, and I heavily depend upon something called as the power of conversation. With this, we help our client move from a current situation to a desired result or the optimized results what they want. I use numerous tools from NLP neuro-linguistic programming like meta model, reframing, and also use hypnotic language patterns as a hypnotherapist and various influence and mastering techniques like Ericksonian, Milton models, and various kinds of form of coaching communications to help my client reach the desired results they want.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel, and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.